Hello everyone, it's your boy Frantic with another Vital episode. Today we're going to create some really cool build-up risers with the sample oscillator. We're gonna export a couple of sounds from our track into this wavetable folder. I'm gonna start with this lead sound we have here. I'm gonna fast forward this part where I locate the folder where I put my files, my wavetables. You can choose your own, it doesn't matter, as long as you locate it within the Vital and you use the same one always. It's gonna be easy. Played in C3, like all the other samplers need to be played in the C3, in the central Z. Cardigans, that's cardigans. When? Something like that. Some of the chorus as well. Let's see if it works. Another good candidate for this type of effect is the kick and bass group, since its familiar content, the harmonic content, has been already playing for a while since the beginning of the track. This will not work here, but we can try somewhere else. There's no breaks in this track. effects on this ending. I'm gonna freeze and flatten.
Freeze and flatten. You can do it faster. Freeze and flatten. You can do it faster.
Let's try this one more time, but with the percussion group. Let's see what happens. A little more gating. Hello Amir, how are you? How is the presets going? Thanks for the comment on the Bandcamp page, thank you, I appreciate it. Stay lows on this. By the way, you were asking this yesterday. You have to go here. You go import bank. You select the file that I sent you, and that's it. They will appear, instead of using the user folder, you will find them here, like that. Don't forget to check my Gumroad store for a lot of music production resources. We have a 50% off this Black Friday week, so don't forget to check that out. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and keep making killer music.